Today we are going to learn the dance to the song, the Cupid Shuffle. So now, the first thing, we're going to stand straight, like this, and we're going to move to the right. You're going to move 4 steps. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we go back to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4.
To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left.
When we're finished walking to the right and then walking to the left, we need to kick. So we kick, change, kick, 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 kick. Part is that you're going to walk it out. So you go, turn. I'm going to show you again.
Now walk it by yourself. Now walk it by yourself.
So now, when you turn, you again will 1, 2, 3, 4, walking to the right, and then again walking to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, 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 and walk it out. Go. And turn. So now we're backwards. Go to the right. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, 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 kick. Now walk, 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 walk. And now it would be the same again. So now we are going to put together the song and the dance. Are you ready?
Down, down, do your dance, do your dance. Down, down, do your dance, do your dance. Let me see you do the Cupid Shuffle, the Cupid Shuffle, the Cupid Shuffle, the Cupid Shuffle. Down, down, do your dance, do your dance. From that boy Cupid, the king of swing out, baby. Yeah. Here we go. To the right.
Now that we learned the song, the Cupid Shuffle, you can try on your own, all right, and use the music. So try your best. Good luck.